Well, we got the rip owl perched happily upon a piece of tree. He's, as they usually do, just looking around, not interested in me. I'm getting quite a distance away. I'm on high telephoto, digital telephoto. Yeah, not supposed to bother him, but I don't think he's over concerned with humans. They all seem to be kind of already adjusted to life in Holgate, the occasional gawker. But 95% of the day, they got it all to themselves. That's probably even good by Arctic terms.